I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook snap beans. First, select fresh, firm snap beans that are bright green and free of blemishes. Next, wash them thoroughly under cool, running water to remove any dirt. Then, trim off the tough ends of each bean. You can snap them by hand or use a small knife. This simple preparation ensures your beans are ready for cooking and will have the best texture. There are several popular methods for cooking snap beans, each offering a slightly different result. For boiling, cook them in lightly salted water for about 5 to 7 minutes until they are tender crisp. If you prefer steaming, 3 to 5 minutes will yield a vibrant color and retain more nutrients. Alternatively, sautéing with 1 tablespoon of olive oil or butter for 8 to 10 minutes creates a delicious, slightly caramelized exterior. To truly elevate the flavor of your snap beans, consider adding a few simple enhancements. During sautéing, incorporate aromatics like 2 cloves of minced garlic or 1 sliced shallot. After cooking, a squeeze of fresh lemon juice and a small pat of butter can brighten the taste significantly. Don't forget to season generously with salt, freshly ground black pepper, and perhaps a pinch of red pepper flakes for a subtle kick. Once perfectly cooked and seasoned, your snap beans are ready to be enjoyed. They make a fantastic and healthy side dish, pairing wonderfully with roasted chicken, fish, or beef. You can also cool them and add them to a fresh salad for extra crunch and nutrition. For a final touch, garnish with toasted slivered almonds or a sprinkle of fresh herbs like parsley or dill to add both texture and visual appeal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.